Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add text in Alight Motion. To add text in Alight Motion, follow these steps. First, launch the Alight Motion app on your device. Tap the plus icon to create a new project. Set your project's aspect ratio, for example 9:16 for vertical videos or 16:9 for horizontal videos. Resolution and frame rate. Once done, tap on Create Project. Now, if you want a solid background behind your text, tap the plus icon at the bottom left and choose Shape. Choose a rectangle or any other shape you preferred. Then adjust the size to fit the screen, and you can set its color. Tap the empty space to confirm. Tap the plus icon again and choose text from the menu. A text box will appear on the screen. Type in the text you want to display. For example, a title, caption, or any custom text. Tap the check mark to confirm the text input. After adding the text, you can customize its appearance. Tap on Edit Text. On the font, tap on the text layer, then choose the font option to choose from different font styles. Color. You can change the color of the text by selecting the Color and Fill option. Size. Adjust the size of the text by moving the mini circle of the text. Moving it to the right will make it more bigger. Moving it to the left, make it more smaller. Position. Drag the text to reposition it on the screen. Once done, tap on the check button on the top right. Tap the play button on the top of the screen to preview your text along with any animations or effects you applied. Once you're satisfied with the text and any effects you have added, tap the export button at the top right of the screen. You can choose the resolution, format and quality of your video and then export it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.